Here's a nice low mile, third gen Camaro Z28, 1992. Last year of this body style. Great color too, medium quasar blue. Underneath the hood, 5 liter. That is paired with a 5-speed manual transmission. It is a 5 liter TPI engine. Now, this is a Z28 model, obviously. So as far as the Z28 preferred equipment group, number 2 would have given you AC, electronically tuned AM/FM cassette, digital clock, and extended range sound. Of course, power windows, power locks on this one. Electronic speed control resume. The power hatch release. Rear compartment cover. It's kind of a privacy or security cover back there, and it is in this car. It does work. Body side moldings. Color keyed front and rear floor mats. Dual power mirrors. And reading lamps. Nice looking car. Still riding on the original Camaro wheels, and it is also the original Goodyear tires on this one. Tell by the date code, and they are the 13th week of 92 production date on them. Now, as you can see, the front of this, not full of road rash as far as curb rash or anything like that. Dings, scratches, rock chips. Pretty darn clean front end. You might find a couple little tiny ones that have been touched up, but overall extremely clean. Again, extremely low mile car too. I'm going to show you the miles when we get around to the driver's side and show you the exact miles on it. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the interior, the underside, engine bay, trunk compartment, check out the whole thing, all the still pictures, probably 100 of them or so, at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right to our website. And you look them over. Feel free to call us too, 507-386-1726. These third-gen Camaros have really taken off in our sales, and we don't expect this one to stick around too long, especially this medium quasar blue. Extremely nice car. And look up and down the sides of it, you can see it's not full of dings, nicks, scratches, parking lots, door dings, garage, anything like that. Interior immaculate on this one. Now, this does have the black custom cloth bucket seats. Of course, there's your 5-speed, and I have not seen any modifications on this one either, as far as exhaust, stereos, anything like that. All stock. You can see the dash is also in beautiful shape. Rear hatch release works great. It does have the auto close. Once you close that hatch up and it gets down so far, it will pull it down the rest of the way. Z28 wing in the back. Does have a few other add-ons besides the Z28 package. Does have the performance axle ratio. Those ZR rated tires, which are original. And then that interior, like I stated, the black custom cloth bucket seats. And it does have the electric rear defrost. Along with this car is the window sticker. Can't see with the reflection through there, but I was going to show you that. There you go. You can see that pull for the rear cargo cover area. Now, it does come with the original window sticker and actually a 1992 Chevy or Chevrolet brochure. Now, remember, we do consider trades. We can assist with shipping of this car. Financing is available, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. So consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Once again, those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. You can see the showroom behind me, the reflection of this car. Very nice paint. Paint is still in very nice shape. Basically, somewhat of a time capsule, if you will. Also, clean Carfax, no accidents. I do not see any signs of paint work on this car. Spent most of its life in Indiana before coming here to us. Alright, now let's check out this interior, because again, as nice as the outside of the car. Door panels, not showing any excess wear. Of course, power locks, power mirrors, power windows, went through that before. The electric power hatch, release and pull down. Tilt cruise, AC of course, and AM/FM cassette. Now, as far as miles, here you go, 13,547, if you can see that. There it is, 13,547. Let's go ahead and fire this up in here. Run. And you will notice there is no warning indicators, anything like that on. All gauges work, tack works. Great starting, great running car. Alright, let's round to the back so you can hear the rumble from that TPI 5-liter. See no smoke. FYI, it does have a new battery in it. The battery was replaced from just it sitting. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and pause this a second. I want to pop the hood, show you the engine bay. See, the engine bay is as clean as the rest of this car. Alright, one thing I noticed, hood struts are good on this one. Sometimes after age they start to give out. So just take a look at this and how clean it is. Another thing I noticed, the lights do work underneath the hood and in the trunk. Just check out how clean and smooth that thing runs. Nice it looks, clean engine bay. It's all well taken care of. But what would you expect out of this low mile Gen 3 Camaro? Alright, there you go. You're looking for a nice 92 Z28. Man, especially if you're looking for Quasar Blue. Here it is. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. And again, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with transportation. And it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.